Okay, so I wanted to clear up a few misconceptions here that I noticed in class a couple of times. So if you could just pay attention while I show you what some students are missing in terms of their knowledge here. Okay, so what we need to understand is that the blood that comes in through the inferior and superior vena cava into the, don't forget this is the right side of the heart and this is the left side of the heart because it's reversed because we're imagining that we're looking down at the patient. And so the blood comes into the atrium and then goes down into the ventricle and then leaves and goes to the lungs. And this blood that's coming in is carbon dioxide rich. So it's deoxygenated or oxygen poor blood, and it's got lots of carbon dioxide in it. It's because it's coming from the tissues. And don't forget the cells in the tissues are what put the carbon dioxide into the capillaries. So we're carrying it. And then in the lungs, the carbon dioxide is exchanged for oxygen. Okay. And then we have oxygen rich blood or oxygenated blood. Actually, let me just change colors here. I should have done it the other way, but so we have the oxygen rich blood coming in. And it comes in from the lungs because don't forget that's where the oxygen is added to the blood, and it comes into the left atrium and then goes into the left ventricle. Let's see if this keeps going. Okay, and then the left ventricle actually sends it to the aorta and goes to the rest of the body. Okay, so that's how we get oxygenated blood to the body. Now, a lot of you guys don't understand that the difference between blood pressure and high blood pressure. And we talked about high blood pressure being caused by a number of factors, factors that affect blood flow. So if we have high blood pressure, that's not very good. But blood pressure, the actual pressure that is created in our bodies, because we do need blood pressure, because if we didn't, the blood wouldn't be able to flow. The blood pressure is actually caused by the contraction of the left ventricle, because what this does is it contracts and squeezes the blood out to the vessels. And it's sort of like if you have a hose and you step on one section of the hose, the water will squirt through the next section of the hose. So that's what causes blood pressure, is the pump, the heart actually squeezing the blood out to your vessels. Okay, so make sure you understand that there's a difference between blood pressure, which is good because you need blood pressure to transport blood through your body, and high blood pressure. High blood pressure is not good because we saw all the troubles that are created from high blood pressure.